For homeowners in the villages, property value is always top of mind. Whether you're preparing to sell in the near future or simply looking to protect your investment, every upgrade matters. One of the most impactful, and often overlooked, improvements is proper window installation. New, professionally installed windows not only enhance comfort and curb appeal but also contribute directly to higher resale value. First impressions and curb appeal. When prospective buyers drive through neighborhoods in the villages, their first impression is shaped by the exterior of the home. Outdated, poorly fitted, or damaged windows can make a property look neglected, even if the interior is beautifully maintained. On the other hand, properly installed modern windows instantly refresh a home's exterior. Clean lines, balanced proportions, and a polished finish signal that the property has been well cared for. Buyers are often willing to pay more for homes that feel updated from the moment they arrive, and windows play a major role in creating that impression. Energy efficiency that pays off. The Florida climate, with its hot summers and occasional storms, demands energy-efficient solutions. Proper window installation ensures that windows are sealed correctly, preventing air leaks that can drive up cooling costs. Energy-efficient windows with professional installation help maintain comfortable indoor temperatures while reducing reliance on air conditioning. This energy savings translates into real financial benefits, which is highly attractive to potential buyers. A home in the villages with lower monthly utility bills will stand out from others on the market. Buyers recognize that quality installation reduces future maintenance and provides peace of mind, two factors that directly impact what they're willing to offer. Protecting against moisture and structural damage. Improperly installed windows can lead to moisture intrusion, especially during Florida's rainy season. Water leaks may cause mold growth, wood rot, or damage to walls and flooring, issues that can significantly lower a home's value. By investing in professional window installation, homeowners can prevent these costly problems. Well-installed windows protect the structural integrity of the property, ensuring it remains in excellent condition. Buyers who know that a home is free from hidden water damage will feel more confident making a strong offer. Enhancing safety and security. Windows are more than design features, they're also part of a home's security system. Professionally installed windows fit snugly within frames, making it harder for intruders to tamper with locks or pry them open. Modern window designs often include reinforced glass or advanced locking mechanisms, which boost buyer confidence. In the villages, where many residents prioritize both comfort and security, this added protection is a valuable selling point that increases property desirability. Increasing natural light and interior appeal. Natural light is one of the top features buyers look for in a home. Properly installed windows maximize sunlight, brighten living spaces, and make interiors feel larger and more inviting. Poorly fitted or older windows often block light or create drafts, but new, correctly installed windows create a welcoming atmosphere that buyers notice immediately. Homes filled with natural light tend to sell faster and at higher prices because they simply feel better to live in. Boosting overall marketability. Every homeowner in the villages wants their property to stand out in a competitive market. Proper window installation is an upgrade that adds both tangible and perceived value. Buyers see it as one less project they'll need to take on after moving in, which makes your home more market-ready compared to others that still have outdated or poorly installed windows. Final thoughts. For homeowners in the villages, proper window installation isn't just a maintenance task, it's a strategic investment. From improving curb appeal and energy efficiency to preventing costly damage and enhancing security, correctly installed windows deliver benefits that go far beyond aesthetics. When it comes time to sell, buyers will recognize these upgrades and factor them into their decision-making. Simply put, a home with well-installed windows commands more attention, sells faster, and achieves a higher property value.